now give the floor to Ms. Bhupender Yadav, Minister of Labour and Employment from India, and I would ask Ms. Julie Su to prepare to speak afterwards.
Chair, for giving me this opportunity to address the International Labour Conference at ILO. Ladies and gentlemen, India has in recent years introduced technology and simplified systems with the objective that each worker enjoy dignity and choice of employment with social security. Our government is providing a unique universal account number to each worker, whether in formal or in informal sector, to act as portable identity for continued enjoyment of right at work. For evidence-based policy making and to ensure last-mile delivery of services of the workers, Government of India has launched surveys on employment demand, migrant and domestic workers to address the specific needs of such workers in the country. Workers in formal sector in India are served by two major tripartite organizations called Employees Provident Fund Organization and Employees State Insurance Corporation. Both these organizations serve to all kinds of social security benefit, including medical treatment, pension, maternity benefit, unemployment, etc. India has a comprehensive institutional framework to provide the decent work. Indian Parliament has recently passed 4 labour codes subsuming 29 labour laws, which has modernized and simplified the labour laws which have taken into account the future of work and issue of informal sector workers. In view of emerging platform economy, gig and platform workers have been given rights to avail social security benefit for the first time through setting up a dedicated social security fund. Adequate arrangement of financing of such a scheme for informal sector workers have been made by way of contribution from central government, provincial governments, aggregators and penalties collected. To address the concern of informal sector workers, a digital platform in August 2021 was launched to register such workers with the intention to develop a national database. About 280 million workers database has already been created with more than 400 occupations of workers. The database would lead to better dissemination of social welfare schemes for informal workers. During COVID-19, India not only provided free vaccination to its entire population, but also extended free delivery of food and food grains, health services, and assured employment. Under Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Urban Employment Guarantee Program, about 72 million households availed work under the scheme from April 2020 to March 2021 alone. During this period, a new scheme was started to incentive employers to create new jobs and to re-employ those who have lost their job during pandemic period by paying from the budget shares of both employees and employers at the rate of 12% of wages. In the same period, cash transfer were made directly to bank account 200 million women during COVID-19 pandemic period. About 3.2 million street vendors were provided collateral-free loans to help them resume their business under Swanidhi scheme. India has made significant reforms to improve female labour force participation rate. Duration of maternity leave increased from 12 weeks to 26 weeks. Provision for work from home and catch facility has been made in establishment with 50 or more employees by amending the existing act. To facilitate safe and orderly migration and for totalization benefit, India supports signing of labour mobility agreements and the social security agreement. I am happy that ILO, in the support of India's move, and also taken positive steps in this direction. Thank you, Chair.
Thank you. Muchas gracias.